Hi guys,
Hi guys, it's youHU date night again.
here we are, and we decided to share our background stories and experiences of our product designing processes, prototyping, failed production,
Challenges, timings.
yeah. Today we brought our largest product, which
Although it's quite small now.
yeah, we have a cute little 3D model, so adorable. But in real life, it is a 2-meter 20 centimeter high construction, but you can fold it into a nice luggage size, so it's very practical. It is called WEM stand.
Yeah, you can check out the website of it. It's wemstand.com. You can find every information on the website.
How we started it? Well, we were visiting quite a lot of wine tastings and indoor wine festivals.
Surprise.
And we had our own experiences as visitors, guests. Sometimes it was pretty hard to find out which table
belongs to
which
winery,
and so I think the communication was not always clear.
Yeah, and the brand visibility of the wineries were a bit poor.
Yeah, and we saw that they had some simple tables. They have to bend all night or all the evening, and they cannot put their stuff anywhere. I mean, they were under the table, and so we really saw that it was not so comfortable for the exhibitors either.
Yeah,
we already had a friend who has a winery, and he reached out to us and give us this idea that why don't we design some kind of installation,
a mobile device,
a stand or a mobile bar table, a portable one that can be used for wineries, because they are just so unsatisfied with with the infrastructure that they experience on at these events. At the end of this grant, we had our first prototype, which was a working prototype.
Yeah, it was a working prototype, and it was the end of the not so easy grant period.
Yeah, I would say that maybe mentally it was challenging, but we survived.
Yeah, for me as well.
So we decided to use plywood. It is a quite tough and resistant material, but still it is way more eco-friendly than any other materials that came up. So our first working prototype was from birch.
Yeah, it was a birch plywood.
But now the product is from poplar.
It's a long time to get from one to
another.
So we had several smaller prototypes. We needed to define all the things, all the small things. After the first prototype we saw,
we wanted to make a product out of it, but from that there is so many stages, and you have to maybe reconsider some solutions because of production. Some optimizing is pretty useful, finding the right partners.
And of course you need to make all the new plans for the production, find the the perfect production method, which will fit into the sustainability part as well. So there's a lot of questions.
For WEM stand and maybe for every product of ours, it is pretty important that that it is quite easy to produce them even in small quantities.
It's always important point to find out not just the best material, but the best usage of the material. So working with as minimal waste as we can do. So there was a lot of steps, smaller and bigger steps to get to a product.
Yeah,
type.
It took 2 years.
It took 2 years.
So after we had our product, it is of course always development. So I wouldn't say that these are new prototypes, but we are always redefining some tiny details and making small changes to just make it even better.
It's like learning on the go. So, and boom, we have a product, and boom, we have pandemic also. So that was a really good timing for
an
the
event
market,
industry
for the
related
event industry,
product.
Yes.
We did that.
Yeah, so it was just when we finalized the product and the production, pandemic just hit, and so it was a hard 2 years because no one was interested in
events.
In events.
It was a challenging period, but I think we could really bring out the most from it as well, because we had some lucky circumstances and orders, even through pandemic.
Yeah. Luck was definitely a point.
But luck is always
it's
there.
Always a point.
Yeah.
We survived, and WEM stand survived as well.
WEM stand still stands.
Still standing.
And we have a nice pre-order campaign now.
The great pre-order.
Which means that we are offering our products with a 20% discount, which is quite nice.
Yeah. Don't hesitate and go check the website wemstand.com. You can find every information about the stand itself, the working of the method of the stand and everything else.
Oh yeah, plenty of information there, and raise our glasses that we were able to create this quite complex product, and that it survived pandemic, and we are here today. So yeah, cheers to that.
Cheers.